Hello, hello again, and good day. Today we are going to be talking about the instructional problem. Remember, we said that instructional design has parts. If you're going to be designing instruction or producing designer instruction, you have to know the parts that you have to include in the instruction. Therefore, all good design of instruction will contain an instructional problem. I mean, the instructional problem, according to Morrison, Ross, and Kemp and Kalman, is actually the commencement. The instructional problem helps you to understand what is it the students do not know and what you are trying to get them to know. Therefore, the instructional problem has four parts. So when you design instruction, you must describe the instructional problem. The instructional problem is what you want the students to be able to do. So it goes something like this. Students in standard 3 or students in grade 3 do not know how to multiply two-digit numbers because they do not even know how to multiply single-digit numbers. At the end of this course, students in standard 3 will be able to multiply two-digit numbers. Does that sound simple? There are four things in that problem. One, the description of the students or the audience, students in standard 3. The second thing it has is what they cannot do. They do not know how to multiply two-digit numbers. The third thing is a reason why they cannot do it. They cannot do it because they cannot multiply single-digit numbers. And the fourth thing is what they will be able to do at the end of the instruction. At the end of the instruction, these students will be able to multiply two-digit numbers. That's pretty clear. The instructional problem is saying what they can't do, why they can't do it, and what they will be able to do. In other words, when you read the instructional problem, you should be very clear with respect to what will be achieved in the course. Kind of sounds like an objective, but it is the basis of the lesson that you are going to develop. It is the foundation for the lesson or the instruction that you are going to design. It is called instructional problem. Let's give you another example. Students in standard 4 cannot tell the difference between healthy and unhealthy foods. That is because they were never taught what is healthy and what is unhealthy. At the end of this course, students in standard 4 will be able to tell the difference between healthy foods and unhealthy foods. I give you one more, for example. And when I give you this one, pause the video and see if you can identify one, the students or the audience, two, what they cannot do, three, why they cannot do it, and four, what they will be able to do. Here we go. Students in grade 5 cannot tell the difference between the four different types of pollution. That is because they were never exposed to what pollution really is. At the end of this course, the students will be able to describe the four different types of pollution. You may pause the video now or replay this video and then see if you can identify the four parts of the instructional problem. And when you are finished, then you could construct some instructional problems of your own. Remember, the instructional problem is part of the instructional design. We are about designing instruction. We're about producing designer products. And our product is what? Instruction. So you have designer instruction. Okay? So you take care and have a good time.